Yo, what's up, y'all? It's Latrell, and when I got my Galaxy S9, I actually got premium care with it, which was a pretty smart idea in my mood. So now I got a new premium care phone, and I want to see if you get anything different. Now, the reason I'm seeing if there's anything different is because when I saw in the email, it said that I might get a different one. They weren't sure, but it could have been brand new, most likely, so it was. I thought it would have at least been in a premium care box, but I guess not, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, this is a Galaxy S9 box here. This is like my original S9 box, so let's get into this real quick. See, like I said, same thing, same color, everything. Like when you get a replacement phone, you get the same exact phone that you got. Most likely, you're gonna get the same exact phone if you got. If they don't got the same color or something like that, they'll give you like a different color or something. I don't know, but I got the same color. So let's go ahead and crack into this real quick. So Samsung's the usual stuff. Let's go ahead and open this up here. Galaxy S9. Let's go ahead and open that up, and there's our S9. So yeah, you see fingerprints on here. So I already looked at the phone. But yeah, same exact thing. It's the same exact S9 Plus. Like there's zero difference with it. It's not refurbished. It's not used. It's brand new. So that's pretty cool already. Like with premium care, you get a brand new S9 Plus for your replacement. Like, and you're paying what, $12 a month for it? So that's pretty cool. So in the box, you get the same accessories. So you get like the OTG connector, you get the fast charger, and then here you get the headphones and the cord and the replacement tips for the headphones. So that's pretty cool. I appreciate that, Samsung, that you're like giving us the same exact thing. So I don't know if you have to send back the accessory for your old phone. I assume not, because look at this real quick. This is all they give you to send back, and the only thing you can put in here is your phone, so I assume that you keep the accessories and have the new ones, so that's pretty cool. So I guess you could sell it if you want to, or have them as backups. I don't know what you want to do with them, but you get this and you get this. So make sure you transfer, delete all your data, and reset your phone. If there's a SIM card in it, remove it. Pack only your phone into the enclosed prepaid US mail envelope and apply the prepaid label. So you get to keep the accessories. That's pretty cool. And it says none of your phone's accessories are required, so that's nice. Complete the form section on the envelope, which is right here with the name and all that. And it says don't forget to return your broken phone within 10 days from the day you receive your replacement, or you may be charged with an unrecovered equipment fee up to the MSRP of the device, not to exceed $1,200. So I guess what I pay for this phone, like $700, $800, something like that. So that's how much they would charge me if I didn't send the phone back. So I'm gonna just send it back. And then it tells you got smart switch to go ahead and transfer your stuff over with that OTG cable, and then you got Samsung Plus for the support and all that. And that's it. And you just get Spanish on the back. So I don't know how it works, like if you got a refurbished phone or something like that from Samsung, or a used or something like that. Like, yeah, I don't know how that will work. Like maybe they'll give you a brand new one anyways, which would be pretty cool, but I don't know. So maybe, just maybe, you could get a used S9 Plus and then go ahead and get premium care and get a brand new S9 Plus with one of your replacements. I don't know, but that'll be pretty cool. Maybe you can do that. But that was pretty much it, y'all. So I just wanted to go and show y'all this. So you get a brand new S9 Plus with premium care. Pretty cool, Samsung. I appreciate that. But thanks for watching. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace out. Oh yeah, and by the way, I should have said this. It only took 1 day for it to get to my house by FedEx, so that was pretty cool.